Good morning, dear students. So the academic year 2020-21 has been started and various subjects has been started for you. In the meantime, I have been starting the first prose lesson in the English subject. In fact, in the previous class, of course, after teaching a passage, I had given you a couple of questions and I asked you to give the assignments, post assignments to the tab number, to the office cell number in the WhatsApp. Some of the people have immediately responded by writing the answer and posting it in the WhatsApp. So congratulations to all those people. The other thing is, we have once again posted it in the group from that tab number. The people who have not done the homework can at least see those homework and memorize the short answer so that it will be comfort for you while you are writing the exams. Soon the schools will be opened within a month or weeks. The thing is, while you are coming back to school, you have to write the exam. That is what the most important thing. So, in my point of view, as a principal, as a subject teacher, what I am advising you is, whatever the subject it is going to be, whatever the passage that has been taught to you, whatever the text that has been taught to you, whatever the sums that has been taught to you, sit down, practice well, because nowadays we are taking only one subject per day, which is much comfort for you to study. And in the outcoming weeks, it will be raised to 2 subjects, 3 subjects, where you must be able to sit and do. You have no other option, because if we are going to complete the syllabus, when the school is going to be reopened, it will be extremely comfort for you to complete the textbook, and we can make you study, we can revise you, and you can write the examinations, and you can get ready for the upcoming public examination. Surely you will be having public examination, and we don't have any compromise in that. So what you have to all to do is, don't take these kind of advices as a compulsion. Right? Study well at your home. Complete the syllabus that is to be completed by the teachers, that has been completed by the teacher. Right? Okay. Let us move to the text which we have left in the last class. So the bird, his first flight, the baby bird, the bird's first flight. The mother and the father bird left it in the ledge itself. In fact, they left 4 of their son and daughters. Among them, 2 of the brothers and 1 sister bird had flown away to the sea in search of food. But only this particular bird does not have the guts, does not have the mind to fly. So since it is having a scared mind, the fear does not allow the bird to fly. The mind does not allow the bird to work to do his as usual work. Very much you are like a bird. You are like the bird. Some of the birds, like this bird's brothers and sisters, where they are carrying on the work properly, and some of the children are staying, they are underestimating themselves and staying in the home like this particular bird. So let us continue the lesson and see how does this particular bird have this first flight. How the parents are motivating this particular bird to go further and further and further, right? Yeah. Then he trotted back and forth from one end of the ledge to the other. his long grey legs stepping daintily, trying to find some means of reaching his parents without having to fly. So just the bird is coming to the ledge at the end, and once again it is trying to tap its wings, but the fear does not allow the bird to fly. Once again it is trotting back, running backward to the same position of where he is sitting and sleeping and eating. Right? Now the bird does not have the food to eat even. Right? His long grey legs stepping daintily, trying to find some means of reaching his parents without having to fly. So what this baby bird is thinking all about, this bird is thinking that my mother and my father will be coming with some food and they will be feeding me. I can take all those intake, I can just enjoy, I can just sit here itself. I have no need to make my own effort to fly, and I have no need to search for food for myself. Everything will be done by my parents. So that is what here trying. So trying to find some means of reaching his parents without having to fly. I am not supposed to fly, but I should be with the parents who are flying there. How it is possible? Only the flying parents should come to this bird. He cannot go to the parents' bird. Could you able to understand? You must be able to make your own effort to attain the position of the parents, to grow, to give growth to yourself. Others will not do it for a long time. But on each side of him, the ledge ended in a sheer fall of precipice with the sea beneath. So it is just running, trying to fly, but once again since it is not making a good effort, it used to fall in the precipice, but nothing but some gap in between the rocks. Some gap in between the rocks, that is what called the precipice. So in the sea beneath there is some gap in between the rocks, so it is just falling down. Once again nothing but returning back to the own position. That is what the author trying to say here. He will not make good effort. Ultimately the effort will be in vain, not in vain, not enough of effort. So the efforts will be zero, and automatically it will go to the original position where it is resting with the sea beneath. And between him and his parents there was a deep wide crack. So between this bird and parents there was a deep wide crack, which means a gap. The parents is in a different place where it is just flying on the sky, sitting on the other ledge. Here this bird is in the nestled ledge. So there is a gap between parent and the baby bird. What this bird is going to do, what kind of effort it is going to have, that is much important. So if your parents are guiding you to do certain works, you must be able to obey your parents' words. Will your parents will take away and put you in the sea and make you dead? No. What will be the thinking of the parents? My son, my daughter, he must grow, she must grow, he must learn, she must learn. So they will start teaching you. They will start teaching their son and daughters like this. This bird, this mother bird is not the mother bird. They are your parents. This baby bird is not the baby bird in the story written by Liam O'Flaherty. Right? This baby bird is nothing but you people. How your mindset are. Right? So don't think that some bird is in the lesson, this lesson has been taught by the teacher. Don't think like that. These mother birds are your parents. This baby bird is nothing but you people are like a baby bird. And some of your brothers and sisters, or some of you may be like the siblings of this bird. who have already flown away, they are searching, they are carrying their duties properly, they are searching their own food, they are good, the brothers and sisters. Only this bird who want to remain as comfort as he is, so he will never make any effort to fly, he will never obey the words of the parents, but everything should come to him in the same ledge. The parents and the brothers and the sisters will go to the sea, they will catch the fish and they will come and give it to this bird will eat and it will sleep on the ledge. So now think about yourself. Think about yourself. This is what the lesson here. So while studying, don't study the words and the alphabets there. Study the concept there. Study the message there. That is what the duty of the teacher to teach you. Not teaching this vocabulary to you is a duty of the teacher. I want to teach you the message here. Right? Hope you students can receive that. Right? Let us continue. See what this bird is going to do further. Surely he could reach them without flying if he could only move northwards along the cliff face. But so let me explain this line before going to the other side. Surely he could reach them without flying if he could only move to the northwards along the cliff face. So if the bird is not going to fly throughout the sea, what it has to do? It has to walk throughout the cliffs. Nothing but the top of the hill, bottom of the hill, it should cross the mountains and then reach to the other side. It is not at all possible. So that's why the question mark has been given there. Along the cliff face, how you will go? It is not at all possible, no. But then, right. But then, on what could he walk? How he could walk? On what he could walk? If you can't, the capacity of the bird is flying, because over thousands of miles birds are flying from France and other cold countries to Chennai, Vedandangal, and this Usteri Lake, and in our fields some of the other countries birds are nestling here. It is flying over miles and miles, thousands of miles. The birds have the capacity, but this particular bird's mind does not have capacity. So but on what could he walk? How can he go to the walk? Is the duty of the bird to walk? It is the duty of the bird is to fly. So the flying bird should be able to fly. The walking animals should be able to walk. Right? There was no ledge and he was not a fly. And there was no ledge. You could walk to some distance, but the ledge is going to end. The rock is going to end. After that, what you will do? Once again, the sea will be there. Once again, you have to start your duty of flying. And above him, he could see nothing. You just go to the seashore. When you look at the sea, at the extreme end of the sea, what you will see? You will see the sea. That's all. You will see the water. The sky and the water will be touching at the end. Could you see anything more? Nothing. Like that. And above him he could see nothing. The ledge used to end. After that he used to stand and look at the sea. That's all. The precipice was sheer. The gap in between the rocks, was sheer, and the top of it was perhaps farther away than the sea beneath him. And the precipice was sheer, and the top of it was perhaps farther away than the sea beneath him. So when he is going to see, and it is going to see the crack, the crack used to be deep. It used to be farther, than sea. So once again the other fear will come to the bird. Oh, this is too long gap. If I am going to fall into it, what will come to me? What can happen to me? So right, once again fear. He stepped slowly, right? He stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge. Brink means the ledge is a rock. The brink means almost the end of the ledge. Brink. You would have seen in the other picture. You can see here in the textbook. See, I don't want to scroll the screen. So I had taught you in the previous class. See, this is what the ledge, and the end of the bridge, look at here. This is what the brink, you can see in the picture. Let me scroll it. Yes, see, this is what the ledge, and this is what the brink, the end. Once you reach the brink, you must be able to fly, because in the other ledge, see, the baby parents, brothers and sisters are there. They are already flown from here. So this is what the area, the mother bird hatched the eggs, and the chicks have been born, and from this place they got the food from their parents, and the other birds have been flying to the other place in search of food and to carry on their routine work. But only he, like us, he want to remain as comfort at the home. Everything will be brought by the parents. We can eat and sleep, we eat and sleep. What we are doing like now, right? He stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge, and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden. So this is the duty of the bird. See, you may make effort, but you must be able to make some valid effort. You may make some effort, but what you have to do? You make some valid effort. That is what you must be able to do. He is going to the, he is just going to the brink of the ledge and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing. He closed one eye. Then the other. So, see, if somebody is going to jump from one place to other place, initially you used to have fear. Even sometimes during night 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, after 12 o'clock, if your parents ask you to go to the restroom and come before going to sleep, means you will ask your father and mother to come with you. Or else you will just go to the hall, end of the hall, and you will be standing there itself. Mama, you just come with me. Papa, you just come with me. Then only I will go. Like that you will be asking your parents. Right? Hope you would have remembered those days. Right? Like that, this particular bird, look at the comedy which is making here. It is going to the brink of the ledge, at the almost end of the stone it is going there, standing on one leg, which means he is preparing himself to fly, but he is not flying. Standing on one leg and the other leg hidden on the wings. Actually, both the legs should be hidden on the wings, and it should tap the wings. He closed one eye. Fear. Closing one eye, look at whether somebody coming near me, whether somebody helping me, whether I can fly or whether I cannot fly. Like that the bird is thinking. He closed one eye, then the other. So initially he used to close one eye, and then he will close both the eyes. Then what you will do? You are like a blind bird then. Then what you can do? Right? So don't scare of anything. And pretended be falling asleep, as if he go and like he will stand at the end, he will start sleeping at the ledge. See how? You just compare your activities. What you are doing. Because you may remember your younger days, you may think about the days which you are spending in this curfew days. What you are doing? Simply sitting, sleeping, get up, watching TV, Sleeping, eating, sleeping, no homework, no studies, nothing. Right? Like the bird. So be falling asleep. Still, they took no notice of him. Still, they took no notice of him. What is this? The they refers to the birds in group. The father bird, the mother bird, the brother bird, the sister bird, and the other side of the ledge will not take any notice of him. You just die there itself. We won't give you any food. We won't mind you. You just fly, or else you just die there itself. Like that, they are thinking, not for making the bird to die, but in order to bring some kind of guts. Right? Sometimes your parents won't do anything. You will be daily, you will be taking a pencil, daily you will be taking a pen, you will be losing it the school days, and then going back, mummy, I want a new pencil, mummy, I want a new pen. Then your father will scold you, and your mother will take some other vessels to throw at you. Right? Like this, these parents are making some kind of efforts, are making the scenario of how the bird should create themselves, create in oneself the guts to fly. They are creating the situation. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their heads sunk into their necks. They have taken their food. The heads used to be dipped into the wings, and they will sleep, which means they ate, so they are taking rest. So she was standing on the little high hump on the plateau, her white breast thrust forward. Yes, so his brothers and sisters have taken the food and they are taking rest in the plateau. Only this incapacity bird is sitting on the ledge and it is waiting on the brig. Look at here, he saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their heads sunk into their neck. So they are dozing their neck into their feathers, and they are just sleeping. His father was preening the feathers. His father was preening the feathers means you can see the monkey is used to clean their hairs. Like this, the birds, what it used to do means the beak, B-E-A-K, nothing but the particular part of the head. Which part you used to take the food, that is what the beak. Using this beak, they used to clean the feathers, right? So his father was preening the feathers on his white back. Only his mother was looking at him. See, when father is going to beat you, brothers and sisters is going to eat your part also, only the mother will look at you. That is what happening here. So everybody looking after their work, only the mother bird was looking at this particular bird, what you are doing. Now, let me stop with this. This is the time for you to think. This is the time for you to think. I am not going to give the academical homework to you. Rather, you just think about yourself. You just think about your parents. You think about your position. You think about your parents' position. Right? Here certain incidents are there. You just think about the incidents happen to you and your parents. Write any 2 incidents or write any 1 incident. Post it in the WhatsApp. Don't get panic. All these are sheer friendly sharing ideas and the friendly sharing discipline, how good we have to be, how good we have to modify ourselves, and how we have to pretend ourselves to be fighting hard for our future, how we have to obey the words of the parents. All this comes under this lesson. So if you remember those incidents, you post it in the WhatsApp, right? So with this, let me conclude this class. We will be continuing this lesson in the next class. Thank you.